racing countdown engines on. 3, 2, check ignition, and may God's love be with you.
Hi kids! Today we are doing the finale to our blast into project panning. I have had a bad, I don't know, this project just didn't work for me. First of all, I got the start date wrong. And then, aww, what's wrong, Pooh? She's making little squishy sounds. She's going, anyways, I got the start date wrong, and then it's a rolling project pan. And I have learned something in the past year and a half, 2 years of, it's been, I guess, about 2 years of project panning. Rolling project pans are not for me. I feel like I'm not getting anywhere. I feel like, oh, I finished an item. Oh, there's another one. Oh, I finished an item. Oh, there's another one. I'd rather start off with a whole bunch of items and then work my way down to the last few that just aren't going to make it. But whatever, you know. I feel like when the project is getting smaller with fewer items, I'm getting somewhere. Even though, for the short time that I've been doing this project, it was from July 1st to January 1st. So I've only been working on this, well, really since June 1st, because that's when I thought it started. But I finished 6 products and I'm decluttering 1. That's great. I mean, that's really good for a project. But it feels like I'm not getting anywhere because I just have all... I was going through trying to find products to replace the ones that I had finished. I'm like, you know what? This is stressing me out. It's stressing me out just trying to find products that fit the prompts. I'm not going to do this anymore. So this is my finale. And like I said, I think I did well. In the whole project, I have finished 6 products and I have 1 declutter. So let's start off with the declutter. I had to put everything in a little bin here because Pooh was running off with my products. Yeah, I'm blaming you. This is the Dr. Brandt Pore Refiner Primer. It's the Pores No More line. It's just like a small travel size. It's, or like a deluxe size or something. Anyways, I don't like the feel of it. It just not, I like a silicone primer. I like something that makes my skin smooth. This makes it weird. I don't know how to explain it. And it smells like ammonia. So maybe the product has gone bad even though I just opened it at the beginning of this project. But whatever, I'm not going to use it. It's just, that's just all kinds of wrong. So that's a declutter. And then I had the It's Skin Honey Firm and Glow. It's a sheet mask. And my little note says it smells like Bit O' Honey. I love those candies, those Bit O' Honey candies. That's what it smells like. It's really gooey and it's kind of sticky. But it made my face so glowy. And it says firm and glow. I don't know about the firming, but then again, with this face, it's going to take a lot of firming. So, but the glow was there. I mean, this is definitely a repurchase. I will repurchase this. Okay, next, there was the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. This started out at 20 grams and it's now 13 grams. Obviously, it's not full size. And I have been using this when my skin needs some extra moisture. So I haven't really been on a schedule or anything else. There's a little bit left in there. A couple of uses, probably 2 uses, maybe 1. I really like this. I would purchase this maybe sometime in the future. I have some other sleeping masks, but this is something I would repurchase. It makes my skin feel so super soft and hydrated by morning time. It's an amazing product. I really like it. Next was the ColourPop Becky G collab. This is the Salvaje palette, and I was using the color Sangria right here. It's what I have on my eyes today. It's been kind of my go-to look, to tell you the truth. I love this color. There's quite a dip in it too. I used like 2 grams of product out of here. Yeah, it was $149 at the beginning of the project, and it's a $147 now. And for me, 2 grams of product, that's a lot. I don't know why. I take a really long time to go through eyeshadows, but I really like to pair this color, the Sangria color, with the Estrella, whatever. That color right there. They go really well together. I love it. I got a little dip going in here, a little dip going in here. Some brush marks in there. Brush marks over here. I mean, obviously brush marks there. I've used a lot of colors out of here, so I can't say it's 2 grams out of here. But being that I was focused in on this color, it made me use the whole palette more often. So I'm really happy with using this palette. At the beginning, I had this in my Game of Thrones project panel. I'll link it up here. It was not my favorite palette, but after using it for a while and getting consistent use out of it, I was like, you know what? I like this palette. I didn't even know I like that palette, but I do. So next was the Origins Ginzing Refreshing Eye Cream to Brighten and Depuff. That's done. It was a little deluxe sample size. It was nice. I liked it. I wouldn't go out of my way to purchase it, but if I got it again, I would absolutely use it. Okay, and then there was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. This was 80 grams. It's still currently 80 grams. Now, the story about this isn't that really pretty packaging? I saw this online, and for some reason I had to have it. I think it's the idea of the rolling sands. It's just so pretty. And I'm not a big highlighter person. I don't use a lot of highlighter. I'm wearing this highlighter today, and you probably can't even tell because it is a gold highlighter. It's very light gold, but it is gold, and I shear it out a lot, so I don't know if you can get very much of my highlight, see it, but I really like this highlight. It's a good highlighter. For my skin tone, it works really well, but like I said, I have textured skin, and I have very fair skin, so I don't use a lot of highlighter. But I do use it, and I do like it, and I'm really glad that I own it. I'm just not going to go through it very fast. And then there was the Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. I use this all up, and I really liked this. I would absolutely buy this again on sale. But I would buy this. This is a definite repurchase. It was a wonderful, wonderful moisturizer. I'm not sure. No, it couldn't have been this one. Maybe. No, it wasn't this one. It was the Tarte one. Okay. But I really liked this. I used it all up and wished I had more. Oh, there's hair flying all over the place. Poo. And lastly, I added this in because when I was a kid, Pluto was a planet. And I really relate to Pluto. It's like Pluto was a planet, then they kicked him out, and then they're like, well, you can hang out, but we're not really going to let you in our planet club. And it's like, you know, that's not fair that you don't let Pluto play in the reindeer games. Just saying. Okay, okay, first of all, let's talk about what the product is. It's the Girlactik Invisible Shadow Primer / Eraser. This was 8 grams. It's still currently 8 grams, which I don't get because I've sharpened it a few times. Right now it's kind of icky because I haven't sharpened it, and I used it today. I really love using this as do my eye makeup, clean up the edges, because I'm the worst. It's like I put on my eyeshadow and it's like, oh, look, now it's cheek shadow and forehead shadow, and yeah. So this helps me keep it to be just eyeshadow. So that's a product I fully intend on continuing to use. So here we go. That was 3 products finished before this, I don't want to say update, let's say finale. And 3 products finished for this finale, 1 declutter. So there's 7 products out of my collection, which is wonderful. I love that. So I appreciate this project, and I appreciate the fantastic ladies and all of their collabs. I have just learned that I'm not good at panning, and especially doing rolling pans. I have another project pan going that is a fantastic ladies collab on the Nightmare Before Christmas. I'm doing great in that project. I'll link that up here. I really enjoy doing that. It's not rolling, so it's working for me, and that's just what I'm going to do. I'm going to do projects that work for me, that are fun, but I'm not going to stress myself out because that's ridiculous. This is makeup. Makeup should be fun. That's why we do it, for fun. So I'm not going to do stressing and stuff like that. That's just not why I'm here. And if you're supporting me on this, just my choice, and I fully support you with your choices, but for me, I can't do this anymore. So if you support that, hit like, and if you want to see me do my other project pans, and you want to see all my other videos, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye. You're still mad about your blanket. Come here. Come here. Oh, 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 she's gonna bite me. Ow. Ow, that hurt. Yeah. Oh. Oh, ow. Ow. Okay, now I need to go find the Neosporin.
This is Major Tom to ground control.